Hi there, welcome to the BGV form walkthrough. You'll receive an email with your BGV form link. Click to start the verification process. Before you begin, you can view all the required documents, identity, address, education, and your latest employment proof. Just click Get Started, and you're in. First up, your basic details. Your name, contact number, and email are auto-filled wherever possible, so there's very little typing for you. Just double-check everything looks right before you move on to the next step. By the way, you're not locked into filling this in order. You can jump into education, address, identity, or employment, whichever you'd rather start with, and come back to the rest anytime. If you don't have your UAN handy, no problem, just check this box, and you can move on without it. One less thing to worry about. You can always come back and add it later, whenever you find it. Next, upload your identity document. Our AI instantly reads it and tags it correctly, PAN, Aadhaar, whichever you've uploaded. And if it ever gets it wrong, you can simply mark it yourself. No scanning, no manual typing, it's that quick and effortless. Now for education. Select your course type, add your university name and passing year. SpringVerify keeps it structured, so nothing gets missed. You can add your degree certificate, mark sheets, and any other education documents right here, all in one place. Upload your mark sheet, and watch this, our AI auto fills the details for you. Of course, you're always free to add or correct anything yourself, in just a few seconds, without any extra effort on your part. Moving to address. If your current and permanent address are the same, just tick this box. And remember, this address will be verified digitally, with a simple link sent to you or a family member. You can upload documents like your Aadhaar, driving license, voter ID, or even a recent utility bill. Whichever you have on hand, our system accepts all of them. Pin your exact location on Google Maps for accuracy, then fill in your address line, landmark, and PIN code. It only takes a moment. This helps us verify your address quickly and accurately, without any back and forth. Next section, employment. We start with the simplest document, your experience letter. If you don't have it, no problem, just tap, I don't have this document, and tell us why. Maybe you're still serving your notice period. Just pick that reason, add a quick line of detail, what date do you expect to receive the document, and move on. You can upload your relieving letter. If that's not available either, tap, I don't have this document, again, and explain why. You can upload your payslip. And here's the thing, this isn't just for employment. Missing your mark sheet, or your identity document? The same, I don't have this option is right there for every section. Just tell us why, and we'll help you figure out the rest. And that's it, every section complete, all marked in green. You're almost there, just one last step to go. Before you submit, take a moment to review everything, your education, your employment history, your HR and manager details. You can edit anything right up until submission. Take your time to make sure it's all correct, since this is your last chance to make changes. Just sign the consent form, confirm your details are accurate, and hit submit to kick off your verification process. And if you ever need help, SpringVerify's support team is just a call or email away.